Hi, Full Bellies. Say hi, everybody.
Hi!
Daniel, what are we making today?
We are making a fast-minute spaghetti sauce.
Yeah, super fast spaghetti sauce. So what we're doing is chopping the vegetables really sloppily, any vegetables at all. So here are our pans. I even have cabbage in here from like 2 months ago from Full Bellies, and it's still good. I just took off the outer leaves. So we've got tomatoes, peppers, mushrooms, zucchinis. What else do we have? Cabbage, green onion. We'll put garlic and onions in there. And I'll show you what's next in the next video. Next, we heavily sprinkled it with onion flakes, garlic powder, salt, celery leaves, which our little friend used some of the leftover celery from many weeks ago to make into some celery powder, and some rice seasoning. So there we go, salt, onion flakes, garlic powder, rice, vegetable seasoning, and celery leaves. We gave it a really generous sprinkling of oil and tossed it up, got really messy. And as you can see, the chunks are quite large. This is like half the size of my hand, half a tomato, big chunks of cabbage, huge chunks of mushrooms. So everything is really huge because it's all gonna get blended up. So if it had just been me cutting all of this stuff up, that would have taken maybe 15-20 minutes. With the kids, it took well over half an hour, which is fine as part of our schedule to spend that much time preparing lunch. And it gives them a great learning opportunity. But if you're looking for a really quick way to make spaghetti sauce, here it is. We've made a huge bloody mess all over the counters, all over the floors, all over the benches, all over the counters. Did I already say counters? So I've let my kids go outside to play and enjoy a little snack of ground cherries while I do my cleanup. Once they get older, they're gonna stay in here and help me clean up. It's part of the job, it's part of the learning. But when they're little like this, I want to encourage them to love to cook, and unfortunately cleanup is not fun. So that's something that I will merge into the learning experience as they get older. Charlie, my big girl there, would normally be in here helping me to clean up, but she's outside keeping an eye on the little kids, so that's her job right now. The little kids get to play, the big kids get a job. So just a quick peek in the oven. Isn't that beautiful? It's gonna be delicious. I had my food processor out already to do the sauce after it's done, so I thought I'd mush up my compost and give my worms an easier time eating their food. That's a lot of compost. So beautiful. Time to blend. That is a lot of spaghetti sauce. So much spaghetti sauce. That's minus what I put in our massive pot of pasta today. I did add a big thing of tomato sauce because it was looking, so this top bit is without tomato sauce, I just poured that in, but then that side bit is mixed in with just plain tomato sauce, so you're gonna need some more salt for that. But say too, isn't it beautiful? It's delicious. Thanks, Daniel.
You're welcome.